In this video, I'll be showing you how to clip on PC with NVIDIA's Overlay ShadowPlay. In order to do it so, you have to follow the steps. First thing first, you want to open up or launch the game that you want to record. After which, what you have to do is here, you want to go ahead and make sure to go to GeForce Experience and make sure to turn on. While you're on the GeForce Experience, you wanna go ahead and click on record. Now click on the start button. As you do it so, then what next you want to do is on the Windows keyboard, you have to go ahead and press Alt plus Z shortcut, or by selecting a small overlay icon in the corner. Selecting share will open the game overlay. This overlay can be launched at any time even if you don't currently gaming. So then you will be able to see your recorded footage, which is going to locate in the video section. You could then go and explore, and this is how you could clip on PC with NVIDIA Overlay ShadowPlay. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.